So let's compare the two batteries. I have this OCD 1500 milliamp and this Turnigy 1600 milliamp, and although this one it says it's more than 100 milliamp, the size is less. This one is a little bit taller, not much. So in this way we can see that this one is a bit wider, the height is the same. Here you can see the OCD is a bit wider, although it says it's less milliamp. Another thing, the wires are thicker on the OCD, they might permit higher amp draw. It says 12 AVG, 12 AVG on the red wire also. This is 14 AVG, so that's thinner. Okay, the balance plug has this lower side also, which is a little bit of more protection, plus you can grab it from there also, you don't need to pull the wires. You can buy these things separately. So I just removed it from an older identical damaged battery, and let's mount it here. So you have to insert the edge here. So on the box is mentioned that it's shipped at only 30% charge. So let's see how much is that 30%. Here's the charger. So out of 4 LEDs, it's charging the second one. So this is like a totally discharged battery.